So let's go set this question up. He swims 75 meters daily for a week. So there's two things happening. There are his weekly values, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75 every day until he doubles. Okay, next week, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150. So we really need to draw it like this. Week 1, week 2, week 3. Okay, let's draw it like that. So the first week's going to be 75. Every day in that week is 75, 75, 75, 75, 75 for a whole week. The second week, he swims 150. Third week, it's going to multiply by 2 again, so it's 300. Because R is 2. He doubles the amount of his daily whatever. So whatever we get for an answer here, we're going to need to multiply it by 7. Why are we multiplying our answer by 7? Because we're treating it like he's only swimming one of these. But he's actually swimming this 7 times in a week. We're looking at the values of the weeks. So whatever we get, we're going to need to make sure that we multiply by 7 at the end. So let's just see what we have for our equation here. A is 75. Each subsequent week he doubles, so R is 2 until he swims 2.4 kilometers. This is meters, until we get to 2,400. That's our last spot. And that's our SN. Okay, we're getting there. This should be, we're dealing with a series, okay? So that's what it's going to be. That's our SN. That's our last spot. So let's fill in our info here with what we know. We've got SN, A, 1 minus R to the N, 1 minus R. What are we missing from our formula? Times 7, we'll do that at the end. Okay, we'll do that part at the end. What are we missing from this, just quickly, this series formula? Do we have SN? We actually do. It's 2,400. It's our last spot. A is 75. All we're missing is N. So we're going to need to go use some algebra here, possibly logs, because N is in our exponent section. So let's go do that. 2,400 equals A was 75. 1 minus R was 2 to the N. And on the bottom, 1 minus 2. Let's see if they're using logs in their bit here in the back. Okay, well, let's make this even easier here. 1 sec. Okay, let's go take a look here. This actually isn't SN, so this isn't 2,400. What would we do here? Let's just count how many spots it's going to be till we get to 2,400. 300, 600, 1,200, 2,400. And there it is, 2,400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We actually know that N is 6. So we're going to use 6 spots. It gave us numbers that actually worked out. So this N is actually 6, 2 to the power of 6, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. It's going to go up here. So 75 times negative 31 over minus 1. 75 times 31 75 times 3, 150, 225, 200, 2025. Say it once more. This number, though, is supposing he only swam 1 day a week, because we treated it as one group. So we take this value, put that here, and times that by 7. Lots of swimming.